Hey guys, my name is John Davies and welcome to this lesson on how to apply the Paradiddle-diddle to the drum kit. So if you're unfamiliar with what a Paradiddle-diddle is, then please check out my link in the description below. Okay, so step number one, we are going to split our hands. We're going to put our right hand on the floor tom, left hand on the snare drum, and the idea here is by splitting the voices, you're going to hear the melody of the Paradiddle-diddle first before we start to do any of the exercises. Exercise number one, we are playing a fill idea in sextuplets. The idea here is that we're going to move the right hand around the toms. So if we take a look at the first beat, it's going to go like this. Paradiddle-diddle. The second beat is going to go paradiddle-diddle. The third beat is going to go paradiddle-diddle. And then on the fourth beat, we're just going to finish with 4/16 notes. 4, E, and R. So played really slowly, it's going to sound like this. So guys, if you're liking the videos and you want some more, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so exercise number two, it's another sextuplet fill. The idea here is that we're going to be using the concept of accenting on toms. Let's go through what each beat is going to look like. Beat number one, paradiddle-diddle. Beat number two, paradiddle-diddle. Beat number three, paradiddle-diddle. And then on beat four, we're just going to finish with 4/16 notes. 4, E, and R. Let's hear what that sounds like really slow. Exercise number three is another sextuplet fill idea, similar to the previous exercise, but instead of accenting on toms, we're now going to accent with the cymbals meeting with the bass drum. Exercise 4, we are utilizing the right hand lead concept. The right hand is going to go on the cymbal, the left hand is going to stay on the snare drum, the bass drum is going to play with every single right hand note. Let's see what that sounds like really slow. Exercise number 5 is a 30-second note fill. As we know, we're dealing with a 6-note pattern, so by putting that through this 30-second notes, it's going to create a cross-rhythmic phrase. So this pattern has 4 sets of paradiddle-diddles, followed by a caca-boom at the end. Let's see what it looks like. The first paradiddle-diddle is played all in the snare drum. Paradiddle-diddle. The second paradiddle, we're going to the toms. It's going to look like this. Paradiddle-diddle. And then we repeat the first one again. Paradiddle-diddle. Then we repeat the second one. Paradiddle-diddle. And then we finish with our caca-boom. Important thing to note, we are accenting both the single strokes in all of the paradiddles. Okay, let's hear what that sounds like really slowly. Exercise number 6, we're going to turn it into a groove. We're going to put the right hand onto the hi-hat, keep the left hand on the snare drum. Bass drum is on beat 1 and 3, and don't forget to bring your right hand down to play the backbeat on the snare drum on beats 2 and beats 4. Let's hear what that sounds like super slow. Exercise 7 is really similar to the previous exercise, except this time we're putting the right hand on the cymbal and the left hand on the hi-hat. Don't forget to bring the right hand down for the snare drum on beats 2 and beats 4. The bass drum this time is playing on beat 1, but it's also playing on the 3 and the and of 3. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to put my right hand on the edge of the middle tom because it's going to sound better for the recording. Let's hear what that sounds like super slow. And there we have it, guys. There's 7 ways in which we can apply the paradiddle-diddle to the drum kit. There's some groove ideas, there's some fill ideas, etc. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you hopefully on the next lesson. Cheers.